In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bleed and crop marks in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're preparing a PDF for print, this is a really useful step. Bleed marks and crop marks help make sure your document is trimmed correctly and that any background colors or images extending to the edge print as intended. In Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, you can add these marks directly to an existing PDF in just a few clicks. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and make sure the PDF you want to work with is already open on your screen. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that you've opened the correct file before making any print-related changes. Once your PDF is open, go to the top area of Acrobat and click on All Tools. This is where Acrobat keeps a wide range of functions, including the print production features we need for this task. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Adobe sometimes updates the layout, but the tool names are usually the same. From the tools list, click on Use Print Production. This will open the set of options designed for professional print preparation. These tools are especially helpful when you need to fine-tune a file before sending it to a printer. Next, select Add Printer Marks. As soon as you click that, a pop-up window will appear. This window contains the settings for the marks you can add to your PDF. In the pop-up, look for the section labeled Marks. This is the area where you choose exactly which printer marks you want Acrobat to apply. Take a moment here, because this is the most important part of the process. Now click the unchecked boxes next to Trim Marks and Bleed Marks. Trim marks, which are also often referred to as crop marks, show where the final document should be cut. Bleed marks indicate the bleed area, helping ensure that artwork extending past the trim edge prints properly without leaving unwanted white edges after trimming. After you've selected both of those options, click OK to apply the marks. Acrobat will then add them to your PDF. And that's it. Your file should now include both bleed marks and crop marks, making it better prepared for professional printing. As a final tip, it's always worth giving the updated PDF a quick visual review before sending it out, just to make sure the marks appear the way you expect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.